Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is yet another protective style video. I decided to go for mini twists this time round, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So I started off on freshly conditioned hair. My hair is actually damp, so I'm gonna take the mini twist. I actually like working on damp hair, so I'm gonna add more water, then seal it in with my usual castor oil to ensure that my hair is moisturized and sealed. The next thing is to section my hair. I'm gonna braid the parts that I won't be working on as I start. So this back section is where I'm gonna start off from, and I'll start twisting. I'll just be using my fingers to part the small sections. I don't mind if they're not neat, I'm okay with that. So this is where I'm at as of now. So these twists are gonna last me at least 2 weeks, not more than that, because my hair is gonna match and I don't like that. So this is the end results. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below and share it as well. Also subscribe to this channel. So up until the next video, bye bye.